Major volcanic incidents include Mount St. Helens in 1980, which was the largest eruption in the Cascades history. Next is Mount Rainier, which had an electron mudflow 500 years ago and an Osceola mudflow 5,000 years ago. As devastating as a volcano can be, there are warning signs to help you. This includes swarms of small earthquakes. These act as a warning to surrounding communities. The other signs can be ashfall carried by winds, and there can be mudflows, but they are not likely to be a direct threat. Before a volcanic eruption, have a plan on how you and your family will evacuate and how you'll store food and water. For the evacuation plan, be sure your route is away from rivers or streams, anything that could carry mud or debris flow. Keep a battery-operated radio available at all times. If there's a predicted eruption, monitor the radio or TV for further evacuation info.
After the overwhelming volcanic emission, be sure to not approach the eruption area. Be prepared to stay indoors and avoid downwinded areas. Only evacuate if the authorities give the okay. If evacuating, be aware of streams and river channels. Move toward higher ground when evacuating for caution of mudflows. Always follow evacuation signs and plans.
Mount St. Helens asphalt moved at an average speed of 60 miles an hour and as far as Minnesota. So if there's asphalt, stay inside, close the doors, and put damp towels at the draft sources. If it's a necessity to go outside, wear a disposable mask. Those at most risk need to try to stay indoors. If you wear contacts or glasses, protect your eyes with goggles. When going outside and traveling in a car, change the oil and air filters in your automobile.
The Tackle Shop is a central location in this community. Emergency crews set up here to coordinate rescue missions or evacuations in times of natural disasters. Early warnings can save lives and reduce financial and ecological damage.
If you live in an area prone to natural disasters, be sure you're prepared. Find out how to prepare at your local library or call the Red Cross.
In preparing for possible disaster, the internet is a wonderful source of information. Using this information properly can help mitigate or lessen your damages in a disaster.
In our area of the country, hurricanes are frequent, so preparation includes storing critical supplies.
Told you, there's never a dull moment on planet Earth. Things are always changing. That's why it's important to be prepared for the types of natural disasters that occur in your part of the country. That's all for our show. See you next time.